Multi-Magic, mastering multiplication of multi-digit numbers. Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to delve into a very important topic within basic mathematics: multiplication. More specifically, we're going to learn about the standard algorithm for multiplying multi-digit numbers. This method will help you solve complex multiplication problems with ease and confidence. The standard algorithm is a method used for multiplying multi-digit numbers. It may look complicated at first, but once you understand the steps, it's really simple. It's all about organizing your work and carrying out each step systematically. When we're multiplying multi-digit numbers, we're actually breaking down the problem into several smaller multiplication problems. For instance, if we're multiplying 23 by 45, we're actually doing 4 smaller multiplications. 1. 3, from 23, by 5, from 45. 2. 20, from 23, by 5, from 45. 3. 3, from 23, by 40, from 45. 4. 20, from 23, by 40, from 45. We'll then add the results of these smaller problems together to get our final answer. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of using the standard algorithm. 1. Step 1. Write down the two numbers you're multiplying with the larger number on top and the smaller number below it, lining up the numbers on the right. 2. Step 2. Starting from the rightmost digit of the lower number, multiply it with each digit of the upper number. Write the result below the line. If the result is a 2-digit number, write the unit digit under the line and carry the tens digit over to the next multiplication. 3. Step 3. Move to the next digit in the lower number, now in the tens place. Multiply this digit with every digit of the upper number, but this time, before writing down the result, shift it one place to the left, since we're working with tens. Don't forget to add any numbers carried over from the previous steps. 4. Step 4. Continue this process for each digit in the lower number, shifting your result one place to the left each time you move to the next digit. 5. Step 5. Finally, add up all the rows of numbers you've written down to get your final result. Remember, practice is key when learning the standard algorithm for multiplying multi-digit numbers. The more you practice, the faster and more accurate you'll become. And that's a wrap on the standard algorithm for multiplying multi-digit numbers. We hope this tutorial has made this important concept a little easier to understand. As with anything in mathematics, practice and patience are your best friends. Keep practicing and soon, you'll be multiplying multi-digit numbers like a pro. Happy learning!